Have you ever wondered what would happen if all the ice in Antarctica melted? Every single drop. It's not just about cute penguins losing their homes. It's a scenario that would rewrite the map of our world. First, the most immediate and terrifying effect, sea level rise. We're not talking about a few inches here. The complete melting of the Antarctic ice sheet would pour an unimaginable amount of water into our oceans, causing sea levels to rise by over 200 feet. That's more than 60 meters. Imagine the Statue of Liberty with water up to her waist. Coastal cities like New York, London, Shanghai, and Miami wouldn't just be flooded. They'd be completely submerged, erased from the map. Hundreds of millions of people would be displaced, creating the largest refugee crisis in human history. But the water is just the beginning. This massive influx of cold, fresh water would wreak havoc on our global climate system. Ocean currents like the Gulf Stream, which are vital for regulating temperatures around the world, could slow down or even collapse entirely. This would trigger extreme and unpredictable weather patterns. Europe could plunge into a deep freeze, while other regions might suffer from unbearable heat waves and catastrophic droughts. The stable climate we've relied on for centuries would be a thing of the past. Storms would become more frequent and far more powerful, turning our weather into a relentless enemy. With coastlines gone and weather systems in chaos, the world would face an unprecedented challenge: mass migration. Picture this. Entire populations from coastal regions forced to move inland, searching for higher ground and dwindling resources. This would put an unbearable strain on existing cities and infrastructure. We'd see fierce competition for food, water, and shelter. Borders would become meaningless as desperate people moved to survive, leading to social and political instability on a scale we've never seen before. It would be a fight for survival, and the world as we know it would descend into chaos. Ironically, as the old world drowns, a new one would emerge. An entire continent, Antarctica, previously hidden under miles of ice, would be revealed. This new landmass, about 1.5 times the size of the United States, would be exposed for the first time in millions of years. But don't expect a paradise. It would be a barren, rocky landscape, completely devoid of soil needed for agriculture. And even if we could settle there, the rest of the planet would be in such a state of turmoil that it would be a hollow victory. A new continent in a world that's barely livable. Even if humanity somehow managed to survive all this, the long-term damage to our planet would be immense. The Earth's ecosystem is a delicate, interconnected web. Losing the Antarctic ice sheet would be like ripping a hole in the heart of that web. The changes to our oceans, atmosphere, and biodiversity would be so profound that it could take thousands, if not tens of thousands, of years for the planet to find a new equilibrium. We would have pushed Earth into a new geological state, one that might not be as hospitable to human life. So the next time you hear about melting ice sheets, remember they aren't just distant blocks of frozen water. They are a critical part of Earth's life support system. Their stability is our stability. Protecting them isn't just an environmental issue. It's about safeguarding the future of our civilization. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like and subscribe for more content that makes you think.